Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I just woke up. I'm starting my day today. So today I'll be having a short one in Yala, in another county. Like I've gone for almost 7 counties today. So this is my bed after sleeping. Oh, don't jam my bed. Don't jam my bed. So I'm preparing for the day. It is around 7:25 early in the morning. So I'm going out. Maybe I can get a sunset, sunrise shoot. After then something else will come. So guys, these are the rooms I slept in. This is the room I slept in. Hi. Guys, this is where I slept yesterday. These are the rooms. Yeah, they're not bad. They have good rooms. So guys, as you can see, I'm from the hotel. I'm from this hotel, and as you can see, there is where I slept. That is the hotel. I can recommend you guys. It is not bad. And this is now Yala sunrise. Oh, so the sunrise. They said I wish I could wake up early in the morning and get the sunrise. So this is the town. It is not a big town. It is a small town, a very small town, but they have good roads. And this is Maseno University, a branch of Maseno. Odera Okango campus. It is the Maseno branch, I think, for political science. The one that they had made. When I met them, they told me that is the course they do inside there. So I'm going to see the River Yala, then I get back. I'm having a walk to see River Yala. I think River Yala is around, like, from the place I was sleeping is around like 90 meters. And 200 meters, yeah. 200 meters, which is I'm capable of walking. So this is the Yala market. This is the Yala market. I travel solo. And for me, travel is making money. I don't just travel, I travel to make money. I'm here for a business, then I go back. I think maybe on Saturday I might be in Makueni, God willing. I trust God, maybe go back to Machakos and Makueni, which I will thank God if I get the job to go back to Makueni. Okay. Yeah. It hasn't been easy, January, so when you get this opportunity, you have to take it. You grab it with all your hands, together tight, kama kifuniko ya gash. So guys, I'm one step to this. Now this is the river that has succumbed over 40 people in Kenya for the past days. Now this is River Yala. This is where that then came from. I think I can swim in this, but it is so quiet. That means an African river is too quiet. That is a deep water. So this is a river that pours water into Lake Victoria, and this is the river that has succumbed more than 40 people at the moment. People bodies have been found here, and it belongs to this place. So that is Yala River, that is Yala Bridge, that is Yala Town, and this is Yala railway station where it passes. This is where railway comes in. So if we follow this river, it will take us to Lake Victoria. The way these water going, they're going direct to Lake Victoria. At the moment where I am, there is no crocodiles. If they are, I can't see crocodile. But this river is known for its crocodiles too.
Kakamega, watu wa huku naye hakuna.
Hakuna mtu wa huku. Sasa hii ni politics hii.
Watu wamekuwa hapa.
Mwili 40 zote zimetolewa hapo ndani.
Bera, basi tunapiga kanye. Hapo nimetoa watu wengi sana. Sasa tulitoka na kuona watu wako.
Ulifika penye hamtaki kuona hata. Naona mkabarikiwa na Maseno campus hapa. Hii ndio imewaletea kazi.
Sahihi ati. Ndio ilikuwa tena wakati.
Aje?
Ilikuwa
Moi University wakabadilisha.
Ni hii barabara.
Ni kama barabara. Masani kaichukua. Na kuna place hiyo Yala River inafika iko na crocodiles. Hainanga.